Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY hand sanitizers. We're going to use alcohol and aloe vera. I'm going to make a small batch. First, we're going to harvest our aloe vera. We need to wash the aloe vera with soap and water. We're going to cut the sharp edges. Now we're going to separate the aloe vera gel by removing the top green layers. We're going to measure 1 part of the aloe vera gel to 2 parts of isopropyl alcohol. I've learned on the internet that your alcohol needs to be 91% isopropyl alcohol to be effective as hand sanitizer, and you're going to mix about 65% of alcohol to 35% of your aloe vera. So we're going to put 1 part aloe vera gel in our dispenser. And we're gonna put 2 parts of our isopropyl alcohol. That's 1. Pour your 1 part aloe vera gel in a blender and 2 parts isopropyl alcohol and blend the mixture well. Use the blender to mix the aloe and alcohol. Strain the mixture in a container and funnel them into a dispenser. Now we're going to strain the mixture. Now we're going to funnel the mixture in a dispenser. ready. That's your DIY hand sanitizer with aloe gel and alcohol. Your hand sanitizer is ready. I only make small batches of the hand sanitizers. There are only 2 ingredients in this mixture, alcohol and aloe vera gel. There are no preservatives. I find that if I make a big batch and I don't use them, they become brown in color in a few days. So I just mix a small batch and use them while the aloe is fresh. If you're gonna make a big batch that you're going to use fast, here is a quick guide. Harvest your leaves. Pick thick, healthy looking green leaves, no molds or damages. Wash and dry the leaves. Cut the prickly edges. Separate the gel from the green layer using a knife. Mix 1 cup of aloe gel to 2 cups of isopropyl alcohol in a blender. Blend mixture well and strain for a smooth texture. Transfer to a dispenser or a container with cap. Label your container, and now your hand sanitizer is ready. That's your DIY hand sanitizer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I provided some useful information and I hope you enjoyed it. Please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.